Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. I have got another limited edition from Cult Beauty and it is the Sweet Spritz edit. This was released, I think it was last week, and it's still available on their website. So if you love your sweet gourmand type perfumes, then you might be interested in this one. It costs £40, it has a value of £220. It contains 9 perfumes and they're a mix of samples, travel and deluxe sizes. If you're interested in this perfume box for yourself, as always, you find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including a link to all the other Cult Beauty beauty boxes that are currently available. They've just released a Westman Artilia beauty box today. I'll pop that down there. I have a Cult Beauty discount code which will entitle you up to 20% off most things on their website, but not always beauty boxes. But there's one particular beauty box that you can get 20% off, and that's the Lisa Potter Dixon Beauty of the Night edit. It retails for £45. With my code, which is CBXBeautyGeek, you can get it for £36, and it has a value of £180. I'll pop that down there as well. So yeah, so let's get on to then having a sniff of these perfumes. I do love a fruity floral perfume, but I don't like anything too sweet. But I love trying new perfumes out. I particularly love this brand, Nest. That is gorgeous. I don't know what that one is like though. Crème de Clémentine. I'm guessing I'd like it. Might as well start here then. Bright clementine zest meets whipped vanilla and golden woods in the citrus gourmand blend, balancing sparkling freshness with creamy sweetness for a comforting yet radiant finish. Right, let's have a sniff. I'm going to spray it on the card as opposed to myself. Oh, that just smells like chocolate orange. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it just smells like chocolate orange. Terry's chocolate orange bar. No, it's not a bar, is it? It's a ball. It smells identical to that. So if you want to smell like that, then you will love this perfume. I don't think it's a perfume I'd actually go out and buy, because I'd just be thinking of Terry's chocolate orange all the time. It is gorgeous though. It is really nice. No, I love that. Although I might not buy it. Anyway, let's move on. We've got Jo Loves Pomelo. This is a little one again. How much have we got here? I didn't tell you how much is in the Nest one, did I? There's 1.5 mils in there. And there is 2 mils in this one. So a little one. Instantly energizing, this mouth-watering grapefruit infused citrus is Jo's signature scent and continues to be one of the most loved fragrances. Fragrance notes: pomelo, vetiver, patchouli and pomelo zest. So it's supposed to smell clean and uplifting. Inspired by memories of summer holidays, white sandy beaches, fresh linen sheets and sparkling ice water. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? Let's see if I have smelt this. Oh my gosh, yes. I have smelt it before. It is gorgeous. It is really, really nice. You can smell the grapefruit straight away, but it's not just a fruit scent. There's more depth to it. Yeah, I want a room diffuser and I want a candle in that, please. So Jo Loves Pomelo. We got Kayali, and this is Yum Pistachio Gelato. It's a decent sized one. We've got 10 mils here. It says it's a decadent gourmand delight, blending pistachio cream, whipped vanilla and fluffy marshmallow with hints of rum for a delicious sweet desert inspired scent. Beautiful bottle. Marks and Spencer's had a dupe in one of their boxes recently. Let's have a sniff. You can really smell the pistachio, and it smells like almonds as well. Is there almonds in it? No, hazelnut. It smells a bit marzipan-y. It's nice, but it's not one I'd go out and buy. I'm sure the one from M&S, I prefer that one. I think I really, really liked that one. It's supposed to be a dupe of this, I think, anyway. So I love these bottles. Can you imagine a load of these bottles all lined up, all looking beautiful and pretty, but there's no point me keeping it if I'm not going to wear it. It's not horrible. It's just not one I would rush to wear. We got Fugazi, if that's how you say it, and this is Orange Crush, Extract de Perfume, and there's 8 mils there. Juicy orange and mandarin collide with sweet amber and soft musks in this vibrant citrus gourmand, delivering a sun-soaked burst of sweetness wrapped in warmth depth. in warm depth. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. Ooh. It smells gorgeous in this room though. It does smell lovely. Let's add to it. Orange musk pepper. That's what I can smell. I don't like pepper usually in perfumes. And what is this? Akigala wood. No, it's got that farmy smell in there. It does smell better, obviously, on skin. It's not horrible, but it's not one I would wear, so I definitely pass that one on. We've got Eccentric Molecules, and this is Molecule 01 and Mandarin. There's 8.5 mils here. Radiant Mandarin is paired with a skin-enhancing warmth of ISO E Super, creating a fresh yet softly woody citrus scent that melts seamlessly into your natural aroma. Okay, this is Mandarin. Oh, that is so nice. But it's not much of a perfume. It's literally Mandarin. As if I've cut open a mandarin and then rubbed it in all over my body. I love it though. It is so nice. It's so uplifting and refreshing. For a scent like this, I'm more likely to get like a shower gel or something like that, you know, as opposed to a perfume. But it's gorgeous. It is really, really nice. We've got DEBASER, and this is by DS and Durga. Eau de Perfume, 7.5 mils. Wild shrill of indie rock coming through the college radio station in hot August heat. Ripe fig, iris, coconut milk, tonka, and dry blonde woods. Do you know what? This rings a bell. I wonder if I've tried this one before. I had a few perfume advent calendars this year or last year. And so obviously I get to try lots of different perfumes then, don't I? And I'm sure if I haven't smelt this one, I've definitely had a perfume by this brand. Oh, it just reminds me of rolling around in the grass when I was little, picking weeds and putting them into jars of water and pretending they're perfume. That's what I used to do with my friends. It just smells like cut grass and wildflowers. It's so nice. It is really, really nice. It's very different to anything else I've got over there. My perfume collection. Yeah, I like that one. I like it because it is different and it just smells nice and fresh and grassy. So there's that. And then we got Commodity, and this is Juice, and there's 10 mils here. I had this in, I don't know whether it was a limited edition beauty box or a monthly beauty box, and I think it was glossy box recently, possibly the February or January one, and I quite like this one. A lot of Commodity perfumes are hit and miss with me, but I think this one's all right actually, from what I remember. I still got boxes from February and January down there that I need to go through. That's what it looks like. Bursting with ripe strawberry, raspberry and rhubarb notes, this vibrant fruity floral fragrance blends juicy sweetness with amberwood warmth for a playful, mouth-watering scent that lingers beautifully. Right, it sounds amazing for me. Yeah, I remember it. It is so nice. It is really, really nice. It is one of the sweetest perfumes that I've smelt so far, I think. It's so juicy. I just need a little bit more to my fruity perfumes. I smell the strawberry. Yeah, it is nice, but I don't know if I would buy it. It's a little bit too sweet, I think. Born to Stand Out, Dirty Milk, Eau de Perfume, and there is 2 mils here. Never heard of this one. Creamy milk, caramel and vanilla blend with smoky woods for a rich, indulgent, gourmand fragrance that's sweet, alluring and delectable. Right, let's have a sniff in here then. It smells of toasted marshmallows on a bonfire. Yeah, it's exactly that. I don't like it personally. It's not a horrible smell, but yeah, exactly that. Toasted marshmallows on a bonfire smell. Then we got Who is Elijah? This is Poetic Dance, Floral, Musk and Gourmand, Eau de Perfume, 2 mils. She's soft but not safe, sweet but never simple. Poetic Dance is a quiet reckoning with bergamot fig, rain accord, tonka bean, heliotrope and cedarwood. That's what it looks like there. It's a little one. I wasn't expecting to like this one, in all honesty, but I do. Oh, whoa, what's it remind me of? I can't work out if I really like it or not. I thought I did. Definitely do not like it, if that makes sense. It smells a little bit of marzipan, which I'm not that keen on. Actually, now that's died down a bit, it is nice. It is nice. It's just a bit different. And then we've got one left, and this is Discothèque, Lola at Coat Check, Eau de Perfume, 8 mils. It's 1992 in New York. So notes of bays, roses, cardamom, grapefruit, white chocolate, jasmine, lily, orris, sandalwood, cedarwood, amber, and vetiver. Okay. I love the set in the scene. It's so cool. 1992. I was 16, I think. Smells like my tattoo artist. I can't work out whether it's her perfume or like a hand sanitizing lotion, or she's got a candle or something in the room that smells like this. It also smells like hospitals as well. So what does hospitals and a tattoo studio have in common? Really high hygiene levels. Yeah, it does remind me of hospitals. What a weird one. I'm talking about. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's not horrible. It's quite nice. It's a bit weird. It's a bit different. And there you go. That was my slightly possibly unhinged review. The Sweet Spritz edit by Occult Beauty. It costs £40, has a value of £220, and it contains 9 perfumes. I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this edit? Did you go out and buy it yourself? Have I put you off getting it? I'd love to know, so please comment down below, even if you think, it's definitely not for me. I'd love to hear what you think anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.